In this video, you'll learn how to leverage Log360, the unified SIM solution from Manage Engine, to detect excessive password change failure. Excessive password change failure occurs when a user attempts to change their password but repeatedly fails to do so within a certain period of time or within a specified number of attempts. This can be because of human error, technical problems, policy misconfigurations, or even cyber attacks. Excessive password change failure can have significant security implications for an organization. For instance, it could indicate potential security threats such as unauthorized access attempts, brute force attacks, or compromised accounts. Tracking these can help security analysts identify and mitigate potential risks quickly. By monitoring password change failure, security analysts can detect patterns of suspicious behavior indicative of insider threats. For example, a user having legitimate credentials for certain parts of the network attempting to access restricted resources for malicious purposes. Repeated password failures can also reveal misconfigurations in password policies, such as overly complex requirements or weaknesses in password recovery and reset protocols, resulting in users' frustration over the failed attempts and increasing the chances of social engineering attacks. For instance, attackers can exploit users' frustration by sending fake password reset links, tricking users into divulging sensitive information. Now let's see how threat actors execute this attack. Attackers use reconnaissance tactics to identify vulnerabilities in the organization. This includes researching the organization's password policy and lockout thresholds. They then target user accounts that have weak security practices. To identify these accounts, attackers may use publicly available sources, leaked databases, or social engineering techniques. Attackers may then use brute force or credential stuffing attacks to gain entry into the network. If they succeed in their attempts, they may escalate privileges and carry out more sinister attacks. If they fail in their attempts, threat actors may then attempt to manipulate the password reset or recovery process by answering security questions or intercepting reset links sent to a user's email or phone. If they succeed, attackers will be able to carry out their goals. But even if they fail in this approach, attackers may still intentionally generate excessive password change failures across multiple accounts to trigger a DOS attack through account lockouts, effectively disrupting business operations. Now let's see how a unified SIM solution like Log360 can help in a situation like this. Log360 comes with predefined correlation rules to detect excessive password change failure. Correlation is the process of identifying a sequence of events across one or more devices which are all related and form a single incident. You can find such out-of-the-box rules for various security use cases under the Correlation tab of Event Log Analyzer or the SIM module of Log360. Select Manage Rule and click on Search to find the correlation rule for excessive password change failure. To understand how this rule works, let's make a copy of the rule. The correlation rule for detecting excessive password change failure alerts you whenever an attempt to change a user account password on the network fails. However, the criteria for the rule to be triggered is that there should be at least 3 failed attempts within 5 minutes and the username should be constant. While this rule will help you detect excessive password change failure, to get timely alerts, ensure that you enable the alert profile option available beside the rule. You can find the reports on excessive password change failure either by using the Search Available Reports option or by using the drop-down menu under System Server Threats. Apart from giving you a visual representation of the number of correlated events, Log360 provides details such as when the action occurred, the device name, the device type, and the user involved. By clicking Event Timeline, you can track the entire sequence of events responsible for the generated alert. To learn more about the individual events, click on Details. You can find more information such as the severity, target domain, logon ID, and event ID. Log360 also comes with SOAR capabilities. This means that if you associate a response workflow with an alert profile, Log360 will be able to carry out certain automated actions such as logging off and disabling the user. This can help you stop an attack before it causes damage. However, to prevent future attacks, here are some steps you can take. Implement MFA, review user privileges, and grant access based on the principle of least privilege. Identify gaps or weaknesses by reviewing and updating your security policies. And lastly, invest in employee training and educate users on the importance of strong passwords and avoiding risky actions like sharing credentials to prevent future attacks. If you have any questions or would like to get a personalized demo, please send an email to log360-support@manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to see Log360 in action, visit this link and download our product. You can also get a free 30-day trial of Log360 and evaluate how it satisfies your requirements.